Hey there! Bear Brothers Cleaning, serving Alabama with expert cleaning tips. Today, we're tackling those greasy kitchen cabinets. Your kitchen cabinets are covered in a sticky layer of grease, cooking oil, and grime that you probably don't even notice anymore. Here's how to get them spotless. Cooking grease becomes airborne and settles on cabinet surfaces, mixing with dust to create a stubborn, sticky film. Regular cleaners just smear it around instead of removing it. Here's our professional grease cutting method. Mix warm water with dish soap or use a degreaser spray. Dish soap is surprisingly powerful. Spray or wipe the solution on cabinet doors and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes to break down the grease. Wipe with a soft cloth or sponge using circular motions, working from top to bottom. For stubborn grease near the stove, use baking soda paste for extra scrubbing power. Don't forget the cabinet handles, they're grease magnets. Rinse with a clean, damp cloth to remove all soap residue. Finally, dry completely with a microfiber cloth to prevent water damage and streaks. Look at that transformation. Your cabinets look brand new again. Clean them monthly to prevent heavy grease buildup and keep your kitchen fresh. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today. 256-633-6332 www.bearbruscleaning.com.